Animal Adaptation and Classification Project by Noah Kimberlane. Adaptation is a thing that helps animals survive. Classification is a grouping animals in different groups.
Hi, I'm Hal the horse. I am the classification of a mammal. I know I am a mammal because I give live birth. I am warm-blooded. I also have fur. One adaptation I have is sturdy legs. It helps me to survive by running away from danger. Some other interesting facts about me are I can sleep both standing up and lying down. I have 250 bones.
Next up is the snail.
Hi, I'm Seth the snail. I'm a classification of a mollusk. I know I am a mollusk because I am cold-blooded, I have slimy skin, I use gills to breathe, and I also breathe through my lungs. One adaptation I have is a shell. It protects me from predators. Some interesting facts about me are